Dear students, in this short video I am going to explain you about RS configuration. Learn RS configuration in 5 minutes. In just 5 minutes I am going to explain you, okay? To understand this RS configuration in easiest way, this is the sentence you have to remember. can, U, LV means love, TT means table tennis, CR means court. Okay, so this sentence, if you remember, these are the letters you have, and every letter has one explanation, so that you will understand RS configuration in the easiest way. Okay, C stands for chiral center. Chiral center, this is the chiral center, which has 4 different atoms surrounded by it. Okay, and just you look for the chiral center, then look for the atomic number or atomic weight priorities order. So the more the atomic number, the more the priority. Iodine has more atomic number than bromine, then chlorine, therefore it gets first priority, then bromine, then chlorine. So that is the way you have to give priority order. Next, if directly attached atoms are similar is the, in this case, carbon carbon, so atomic number and atomic weight same, therefore if you go for the next atom, it has oxygen, it has hydrogen, therefore COH get the more priority over CH3. That's the way you need to give priority order. Then in the third case, so these hydrogen, deuterium and tritium, 3 of them are isotopes. Okay, they have same atomic number but difference in their atomic mass. Okay, tritium has more atomic mass than deuterium and hydrogen, therefore it gets more priority over deuterium and hydrogen. So that is the way you need to give priority order. So the next thing, in priority order, you should remember about unsaturation. If it is more unsaturation, you will get more that atom or group will get more priority. Okay, so if it is has a triple bond over double bond, triple bond, more unsaturation gets more priority. Okay, these are the 4 letters describes about giving priorities to the 4 different atoms or groups which are attached to the central carbon atom or chiral center. Okay, once you finished giving priorities orders to 4 different atoms or groups, then you remember these letters. LV, L means least priority group, V means vertical line. Okay, if least priority group in vertical line, then CR means clockwise rotation, then R configuration. So this is the clockwise rotation. So if you connect this arrow mark from in increasing number order, you will get the clockwise rotation. So it is clockwise rotation, therefore R configuration. Okay, if least priority group in horizontal line, then clockwise rotation, it will become reverse, S configuration. It is in the case. Okay, clockwise rotation and the horizontal, least priority group is in horizontal position, therefore it will become reverse, S configuration. So these are the things you will give you information to assign RS configuration. Okay, so suppose top priority group in thick line, then clockwise R rotation. Here this is the top priority group, it is in thick line, and if here it is anti-clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise rotation means S configuration. If it is clockwise rotation, R configuration. So this is the simple way you need to assign RS configurations for different chiral centers or chiral molecules. Okay, so whatever number of chiral centers has in that molecule, it may be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. For every chiral center, you need to identify 4 different atoms or groups surrounded to it, and you should give first priorities order for those 4 groups. Then if it is clockwise, you need to remember least priority group if it is in horizontal position or if it is in vertical position, and also top priority group it is in thick line or it is in dotted line. So based on that you can assign RS configuration. Okay, if least priority group in vertical line, clockwise rotation, R configuration. If it is horizontal line, clockwise rise, S configuration. So this is the another example, lactic acid. If you observe this molecule from this side, Okay, CS3, these CS3 COOH, these are single lines, these are on the plane, and if you observe this molecule from this side, CS3 will become at your left side. Therefore, whatever attached in the dotted line should go to the opposite side, that means right side. So that's how I converted this wedge representation into Fisher representation. So once you give priorities order, then draw the arrow mark, so that if it is clockwise, but here the least priority group is in horizontal line, therefore it is S configuration. You can also give directly RS configuration without converting into Fisher projection. Okay, this is the top priority group, it is in thick line, and least priority group is in dotted line. So if it is clockwise rotation, R configuration, if it is anti-clockwise rotation, S configuration. Okay, these are the things you need to remember, and with this information you can give RS configuration for any molecule, any chiral molecules. Okay, if you like this video, short video, you can click on the like button. Okay, if you feel this is useful for you, if you watch this video first time, you can subscribe this channel, my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.